In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your own stacker, whether that be the Stacker 6, the Pro Team 8, or the Super 10. I'm currently in Indonesia while you're seeing Indonesian rupiah here, but it will show in your local currency. So I'm going to click the Build My Kite button. And here you can see that you actually can change the bottom of the kite, the top of the kite, the left panel, and the right panel. Now you can choose these colors that come already in the system, or the whole point of customization is that you can upload your own. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to upload an image to go on the bottom of the kite, because if you think about it, when you're flying the kite, you're going to be looking up from the ground and you're going to see the bottom of the kite. So I'm helping on a documentary project right now, so I'm going to put their logo on the bottom of this kite. And it's called the Brotherhood Blueprint. Now you can see that's a little bit big. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab that red button and I'm going to pull it down to make it to the middle of the kite where I want it. So I think that looks a little bit better. So I've got some spacing at the top, some spacing at the bottom. But now obviously these panels are not the same color as the dark blue of the logo. So now what I'd like to show you is that if you do this on Google Chrome, and I highly recommend you do, if you click these three buttons in the top right hand corner and you go down to where it says extensions, you will see that it says Visit Chrome Web Store. It's just off the side of this browser, so you can't see it. But when you do it, you'll see Visit Chrome Web Store. And when you do, you go to Search Extensions and Themes and you type in Colorzilla, C-O-L-O-R, without the U, the American spelling, and then Zilla. And you'll see a button that says Install to Chrome. Mine says Remove from Chrome because it's already up there. But if you install that to Chrome, and then you click on this little puzzle piece at the end and make sure it's pinned, because if it's unpinned, it'll disappear. And if it's pinned, it will appear. So pin it to your toolbar, then you'll have access to it. I'm going to go back to design my stacker, and I want to make the outside of this bottom of the kite the same color as this blue. How do I do that? I click Custom Color. I'm now going to take away the hex code that is there already, and I'm going to get the hex code for this blue by going up to Colorzilla, selecting Pick Color from a page. And if you see I move around the page, at the top of the screen, you'll see that lots of different colors are dropping up there. I'm going to go right to the middle of my logo. And if you see, that's hashtag 23212D. And when I click there with my cursor, it says color copied to clipboard. So if I now go back to custom color, I click into here, I right click and I choose paste. You can see the whole of the bottom of the kite changes to the same color. I also want that on the top of the kite. Top of the kite, I'm going to go custom color. I'm going to go here. I'm going to delete what's already there. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click paste. Now I'm going to go back to the bottom of the kite because I want this color blue to be my left and my right panels. So I'm going to go back up to Colorzilla, pick color from a page. I'm going to go and find the color blue that I want, which I've now clicked, color copied to clipboard, go to the left panel, custom color, delete what is already there, right click, paste, go to the right side, same thing again, delete what's already there, right click, paste, and there I have it, my Brotherhood Blueprint designed kite ready to go. And what I will do with one final flourish, which is also good, because then people know what you're flying, is I'm going to take a Flexifoil logo in white and I'm going to put it on the top of the kite. So when it's being flown, it says Brotherhood Blueprint on the bottom and it says Flexifoil on the top. We're just going to move that slightly over by clicking in here. I'm going to just drag that so it's absolutely where I want it in the middle of the kite. And there we have it. And should you want to change the angle of it, you can use this blue button. You can spin it up, you can spin it down. If I move this around now, I've got my Flexifoil kite, Brotherhood Blueprint on the top bottom, with the side panels exactly how I wanted them. Hope that video has been of use to you. And then obviously the next thing you do is you go down here and you choose whether you want to add a line set or padded wrist straps, and then you click Add to Cart.